All right, looking at the big picture for Tesla, we'll start with the monthly chart. This is that 2021 trend line we've been talking about for a really long time. We finally got our push up and could not hold, pushed right back below. We tested again this last week, but again, we were not able to hold above that 2021 trend line. So looking into September, knowing September can typically be bearish, let's see if we can hold our lower trend line through here and potentially get a nice push back above and test it again for next month. So we don't have a lot of room on down to this little trend line, so we want to see how we respond right around that 197, 195 area. Moving into the weekly chart, we are in a little bit of a squeeze here. We've got a couple touches on each side, and we have touched this bottom trend line. So let's see if that continues on down with a break to the downside. If it does, we're also looking at a nice H right through here. So let's see if we get a squeeze break to the downside, or if we kind of hover inside right through here and move more sideways like Tesla can tend to do after a big move. Flipping to the daily chart, this is that area I've been talking about for a really long time. That 232 is so strong. It's such a strong resistance. And look what happened. Huge push all the way back down to our lower trend line. We still have this gap fill right above us, but we went all the way back down right through here yet again. So moving into next week, we need to try and hold above 210 to stay in this overall slight uptrend. So let's see what happens when we test that trend line. Will we bounce and get a push above, or is it going to push us even lower moving forward?